Can you name few of the iconic people that have visited your restaurant and did you disappoint any of them?
So over the years, we've catered to some of the most famous people, like politicians, actors. We've had people from all across all industries who visited our restaurant. Back in the day, our great grandfather would tell stories of how like parliament conversations would happen around a cup of our signature Kona coffee and our giant samosas, and how politicians would sit around the table and do a debrief of parliamentary sessions. So anyway, starting from like Lord Mountbatten to, Sir Raj Kapoor, it was one of his favorite restaurants. We've had a lot of stories built around that. He used to visit all the time. It was one of his favorite restaurants. We've had a lot of, we've had Shri Rajendra Prasad ji who used to come. So, we've had a lot of these politicians, actors who've been around and who've, we've clearly not disappointed them because they kept coming back. And embassy still stood the test of time because it's still sitting in a location where brands around us have come and gone, but we have stayed.